Welcome back, Triple D Divas. Today I'm going to show you guys how I go about removing builder gel off of my nails. So I'm going to do this removal on my pinky nail so I don't take too long, but here are a couple supplies that you're going to need in order to accomplish a builder gel removal. Now, if you are using a nail drill, I recommend getting a removal bit. The one I'm using here today is a medium grit Typhoon bit with the Triple D drill. This drill is new, so listen on how loud it can be. It's really not making a lot of noise. So I'm going to set the RPMs to about 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs, not a super high speed for me to remove the builder gel off my nail because I don't want to have it at a super high speed. The reason we recommend filing off the builder gel first, you can file all the way down to the natural nail. We just prefer to do it as filing as much off as possible and then soaking the rest off to expose our natural nail. If you file off as much as possible and then soak off the rest, you're really limiting your exposure in acetone, which if you know the Triple D crew, we want to limit how much we expose our hands to harsh chemicals. So we recommend filing off what you can and then soaking off the remainder. If you file all the way down to your natural nail, it's very possible that you can cause damage to your natural nail bed, which is why we think the file and soak dual method is a great way and a safe way to remove your builder gel. Please keep in mind that the method we're talking about here, where you file and then soak, is in reference to soft gels. Soft gels can be soaked in acetone. If you're using a hard gel, it cannot be soaked in acetone and you will have to use a hand file or a nail drill to remove it. When you're ready to soak, we recommend you pick up 100% pure acetone. Definitely check the ingredients on the back of the bottle to make sure it truly is 100% pure acetone and it doesn't have extra added ingredients. So if you have one that has a lot of extra ingredients, it might take you a lot longer to soak your nails. I like to use hot water to help assist in speeding up the soak-off process. And then I also take a Ziploc baggie and I pour a little bit of my acetone into the corner of the bag, just enough to cover my fingernails. You don't have to put a lot in there. You don't really have to expose your entire hand to acetone. Then I stick my hand in the corner here. For this demonstration, I'm only doing 2 nails, but normally I would do my whole hand. And then I stick the baggie in the hot water and I keep it there for 5-minute increments. Every 5 minutes, I'll take my hand out of the bowl, inspect, and scrape off any gel, which is what I'm going to do here. After 5 minutes have passed, I'm going to inspect my nails, use a cuticle pusher, and gently scrape any builder gel. It's going to flake off, so when you're not able to flake off much more easily, put your hand back in the baggie and soak off for an additional 5 minutes. This is my second round of removing my hand out of the bowl after another 5 minutes have passed, so it's been a total of 10 minutes of soaking my hands in, and I'm going to continue scraping what I can. When you go through, you want to be careful not to scrape your natural nails, so definitely pay attention to make sure that when it's getting really close to your natural nails, to be more and more careful. My ring finger, I did not file any of it off. So I do want to show you guys the difference of filing off the builder gel and then soaking versus not filing any off and then soaking. So after 3 5-minute increments, my pinky finger is completely clear of builder gel and my ring finger has a little bit of builder gel still left on it, and it's going to require a little bit more work to get all of it off. So if you want to limit your exposure in acetone, we definitely recommend filing off as much as possible before soaking in acetone. So now we're completely finished with this demonstration. I hope it was helpful in explaining the removal process, and after applying cuticle oil, you can see how healthy my fingernail is. And if you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps us know that you like the tutorials we're making for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!